The upcoming flagship from OnePlus is anticipated to be a significant upgrade over its predecessor, particularly in terms of display, processor, and camera setup. Although the company has not officially confirmed all details, several credible leaks have emerged, painting a fairly clear picture of what we can expect. One of the standout features of the upcoming device is its display. Louis Lee, the president of OnePlus China, shared a first glimpse of the front panel on Weibo, revealing a centered punch-hole design with extremely slim bezels. According to Lee, the display will feature BOE's second-generation Oriental screen, which promises to deliver far better performance than the first generation used in the OnePlus 12. The previous generation boasted a 2K resolution, 120 Hz refresh rate, and an impressive peak brightness of 4,500 nits. Although specific details on the new screen have not been fully revealed, it is expected to build upon these specifications, offering an even more immersive and smoother visual experience. This leak about the display was further teased by Digital Chat Station, another well-known source on Weibo, who suggested that the phone would debut with this enhanced screen technology. On the performance front, the phone will likely be powered by Qualcomm's next-generation Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset. This was confirmed in leaks shared by tipster Sanju Choudhury on Twitter, who hinted at the new chipset during a discussion about the phone's performance capabilities. Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 is expected to be a major upgrade, featuring the Oryon CPU, which will mark Qualcomm's shift away from ARM's architecture to its proprietary designs. This new chip promises enhanced performance across the board, particularly in gaming and AI-driven tasks, with clock speeds rumored to reach up to 4.3 GHz. He also mentioned that the phone could achieve a single-core score of around 3,500 on Geekbench, suggesting that it will be miles ahead of its predecessor in terms of speed and efficiency. Another major upgrade is the RAM and storage configuration. According to Gizbot, the new flagship will come with up to 24 GB of RAM, a significant leap compared to the 16 GB available in the previous models. The phone will also likely offer up to 1 TB of internal storage, making it ideal for power users who need extra space for apps, videos, and files. According to Gadget 360, the OnePlus 13 is expected to come with a triple rear camera unit, including a 50-megapixel Sony LIT 808-inch primary sensor, alongside a 50-megapixel Sony LIT 600-inch periscope shooter and a 50-megapixel sensor paired with an ultra-wide lens. One more 32-megapixel front camera is expected for high-quality selfies. Additionally, the phone is likely to come with a vegan leather finish. This marks a shift from the glass finish seen in the previous model, and is expected to appeal to users who prefer a more premium and textured feel. The design also includes a redesigned camera island, which will look different from its predecessor's circular setup, giving the phone a fresh and modern look. Powering all these features is a 6,000 mAh battery, according to leaks shared by tipster Sanju Choudhury. The phone will support 100-watt wired fast charging and 50-watt wireless charging, ensuring that users can charge their devices quickly and efficiently. Reverse charging is also expected to be included, allowing users to charge other devices using their phones. While these charging features are similar to what was available in the previous model, the larger battery is expected to offer longer-lasting performance, ensuring that the phone can easily last through a full day of heavy use. As for the launch timeline, multiple sources point toward a release in October, with the Chinese market expected to be the first to receive the device. It is likely that a global release will follow in the months after. The price has not been officially announced, but based on its features and the enhancements it offers, it is expected to carry a higher price tag compared to its predecessor, with speculation pointing towards a starting price of around $800 to $900. Now that you have a detailed overview of what to expect, what do you think about the potential features and upgrades? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on the latest news and leaks.